All right, if you are tired of jamming a lot of towels onto a towel rack like this, if you need more space or more places, you should consider buying and installing something like this, a little towel rack that mounts to the back of uh, your bathroom door, right? It comes in a little kit, and it's really easy to install. They've got these little, little pipes that kind of insert into one another, and then these little cross sections, so to speak, and you just kind of screw them in there. It's super easy. And I'll put links down below for some of the ones in the description that got really good reviews. This happens to be a kind of a cheaper one. It's fine. It gets the job done. You can certainly go a little higher quality if you want, but I'll try to put a variety of options down there for you if you want to check that out. But they insert into the pins in your door just like that, the hinges, right? So you don't really have to take the door off per se. Just take out one pin, put in the top one, and put the pin back in, right? And do that for each hinge. So it kind of looks like this once you're done. And if you need to take it out, you just reverse the process, right? It's super, super simple. And that is kind of how you do it. Overall, easy job, space saver, and of course gives you some really practical use of your space for hanging those extra towels and whatnot. Thanks so much for being with me, and for more do-it-yourself home projects and product recommendations, be sure to subscribe to the channel.